hearing for the alleged crypto kidnappers, William Duplessie and John Woeltz, it was pushed back to 12:30, and the entire hearing probably lasted about 5 minutes. They walked in, they were shackled, they were in their tan Rikers outfits. John Woeltz is a really small guy, really small. William Duplessie is very tall, over 6 feet. He wore glasses. He looked a little bit more clean cut. He had a haircut. They both didn't show any type of expression, but right away the judge ordered both the defense attorneys and the prosecutors to the bench, and they discussed something for about 5 minutes. And then after that, he said that the next hearing is going to be July 23rd, where the judge is waiting on evidence to be presented so they can discuss bail. So July 23rd, it'll be next week in the afternoon. I will keep everybody updated. If people are aware of this case, or maybe they're not, there seems to be a dual investigation also going on in Kentucky when it comes to John Woeltz. So apparently back in December, a woman from Sweden called the police in Kentucky and said that her son was being held hostage, and she didn't know by whom, but she knew he was staying with a friend named John and someone else named Kayla. And when police looked up the address that this woman gave them, it was the home of John Woeltz. So there might be a dual investigation going on in Kentucky. I know that the NYPD are working with the state police. And I mean, does this mean that the feds could be involved too? Could this be a federal case as well for John Woeltz? When they searched his home, law enforcement found 18 guns. So I think there might be more to this case. I mean, it's interesting because defense attorneys, they say there's more to this case in terms of the victim, they say, could have left at any time. The defense attorneys also say that there is footage of the victim and John Woeltz going to shop for eyeglasses. So yeah, I mean, I'm definitely interested to see what comes out evidence-wise, and also if there will be more charges or a federal case possibly. I don't see them getting bail just based on the charges. I mean, you've got assault, second-degree assault, first-degree kidnapping, criminal possession of a weapon. This is not exactly these are not exactly bail eligible charges. Well, I mean, I guess they could be, but yeah, they're pretty serious. So again, we will wait and see what happens, but they are due back in court next week, July 23rd in the afternoon. And this was kind of a letdown. Oh, and I also forgot to add, this judge, Judge Greg Carro, he is also Luigi Mangione's state judge. And I had him for jury duty. So weird, so weird.